In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WordPress automations, and I'm going to show you how to create all sorts of automations. For example, I have site A and site B. I'm going to show you how to synchronize product prices and stock quantities between those two sites with help of automation. For example, if I change price on site A and stock quantities, if I update it and go to the site B and refresh it, then you'll see automatically all this information has been transferred to site B. The tool I'm going to use in this video allows you to create all sorts of automation. Basically, your own imagination is a limit. So, if you're interested, then jump in. And the plugin I'm going to use in this video is called Flowmattic. It's a WordPress automation plugin which allows you to connect your site with external apps with a few clicks. It has a bunch of integrations. For example, as you see at the moment, it has more than 112 integrations. You can scroll it and see what is what. For example, there is integration with Fluent Forms, Fluent CRM, Freshdesk, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Gravity Forms, Instantly, MailChimp, MailPoet, Sendinblue, and so on and so forth. I have spoken with a plugin author and they say that they create more integrations in the future. And if you would like to know what's in a roadmap, then take a look at this menu here. As you see, there is a Slack integration under development, Instagram, a Cubamail, Breezy WordPress Builder, and these are the planned ones, and under consideration you see these ones here. Now, if we talk about pricing, then take a look at the pricing here. There is also lifetime deal. At the moment, the personal lifetime deal for two sites is $249, and for developers, it's for 15 sites is $597. You can also use a split payment option here. There is also a bonus until the end of the year. That is, if you purchase a personal lifetime site, you'll get one site per year for 5 years. So if you subscribe for 5 years, you'll get additional 5 sites. That is altogether 7 licenses. And for developer, you'll get 5 sites per year for 5 years. So that means additional 25 licenses. It's for a lifetime deal, and once again, it's valid until the end of the year. Regular pricing is here. It's $99 yearly. And once again, there is a bonus. If you sign up right now, then you'll get one site on every renewal. But pay attention that, once again, this bonus is available only until the December 31st. There is one more good news. That is, if you take a look at the description of this video, then you'll get a nice 15% bonus from the yearly packages. It doesn't apply to the lifetime deal, but it applies to the yearly packages. So 15% coupon is in a video description. Just follow the link and use a coupon. Now, when this is out of the way, let's create some awesome automations here. So after purchasing the plugin, you have to install it, and after that you'll see a menu called Flowmattic here. Go to the settings and let's take a look what's happening here. Here you can set up whether you would like to receive notification if the task fails. Here goes your notification email. You can set up task intervals and some other stuff. Also, you can disable some core integrations, and core integrations are the ones that are built in. All other integration, you can install them separately only if you need one. But if there is something you don't need, for example counter, then just click on it and it's disabled. I'm gonna leave everything as it is and save it. Next, let's go to the integrations. And here are all the integrations that are available for you. You can search for those, or just scroll down and press install on the ones you actually need. Don't activate the ones you don't use, just install the ones you need. I have already activated integrations for Fluent Forms, Google Sheets, WooCommerce on this site. Here's the dashboard. Here you can see how many workflows you have created and how many tasks executions are there for the last 90 days. This here is my test site, and therefore there are not as many tasks already executed. But take a look. I have already executed 61 tasks. If you take a look at Zapier, for example, which is a popular automation app, the starter package is 1947 per month, and it allows you only 750 tasks per month. That means if I have a workflow, for example this one here, that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks, then every time is executed, it will count it as 5 tasks. So if I update my Woo products, 5 tasks will be executed. 100 times is already 500 tasks. So if you compare the pricing between Flowmattic and Zapier, you'll see that Flowmattic is much more affordable. So back to the dashboard, and let's take a look at the history tab here. Under it, I can see what has been executed, whether it has been successful or not, and I can see the details if needed. This was about the dashboard. Now let's create a workflow. Go to the workflows, and now you have two options, where you can create a new workflow or you can import the workflow. You can export and import the workflows from sites to sites. For example, I'm gonna go to my site B. I'm gonna export this workflow, save it, go back to site A, upload it. It says what has been done, and now it's here, and it will add a imported tag here. This is one way for importing the workflows, but if you go to the Flowmattic site and open up the workflows, then there are some already made workflows for you. For example, if I would like to create a coupon in WooCommerce based on total order amount and send this coupon to user, then I'm gonna log in, open it up, download the workflow and import it. There is also a workflow overview which displays what are the tasks and how is this workflow built. If you would like to delete the workflow, then just delete it. There is also an option to edit it, add access to the specific users, delete the task history, or clone the workflow. If I open it up, I can see what are the tasks here and whether it's live or not. So I'm gonna set it to draft, I'm gonna save it. And now let's go back to the workflows and let's create a similar workflow. That is, if someone updates a product on site A, then the changes, that is price change and stock quantity change, will be synced to the site B. I'm going to create a new workflow, give it the title, update Woo price and stock quantity. Next one, I'm going to choose application. There are most used one, for example, webhook, schedule, and custom action. But at the moment, I'm going to choose WooCommerce as a trigger. Choose event is product updated. Now I'm going to click on capture response, or I can also fetch the information from the database. But since I want the latest information, I'm going to click on capture response. I'm going to go to the products, open up this product and just edit some information here. For example, price, sale price, and quantity. I click on update, go back to the workflows, and you'll see that information has been captured. Next, I'm gonna set up an action. If the product is updated, then I need to use a webhook that will send the information. Here goes a webhook URL, and now pay attention that since I'm on the site A, I need to go to the site B for a second, go to the workflows, and create a new workflow here. I'm gonna give it the title, get Woo info from site A. Next, I'm gonna choose webhooks, grab this URL here, and paste it to the site A webhook URL input field. Next, I'm gonna set up all the information I would like to be transferred. So in the data parameters input, I'm gonna add a key name, for example, product ID. Next, I'm gonna select this ID here. Add more. Now it's gonna be price, and I'm gonna select regular price here. Next is gonna be sale price. And last one, stock quantity. Since I don't want anything else to be transferred, I'm gonna click on save and test. It's success. Now I'm gonna set it to live, save workflow. And next I'm going to go to the site B. I'm going to click on capture webhook data. And now I'm going to go back to site A, open up a product, this one here. Just update random product, go back to site B. As you see, all the information has been captured. And now I'm going to add an action here. This time it's going to be WooCommerce. Choose an action is update product. And I'm going to map the fields. In the product ID, it's going to be this one here. Regular price is going to be this one. Stock is this one. Sale price is this one here. Save and test action. It says success. I'm going to set it to live, save workflow. And now I'm going to open up products and let's test whether it works. So I have a golden lamp here. In stock is 50 products. 850 is a regular price and 790 is a sale price. Back to the site A. Let's change the numbers here. Price is going to be 890. Sale price 810. And stock quantity 70. Let's update it. Refresh site B. And voila! Everything has been transferred with a couple of clicks. Awesome, isn't it? And this way you can synchronize all sorts of information between two sites. You can even create a workflow which acts in a way that if order is placed in one site, then stock status is also reduced on your other site. Okay, back to the workflows. Let's create another one here. And in order to keep it short, I'm not going to go through all the steps, but I'm going to show you how I created this one. For example, create a 10% coupon and send by email. What did I do here? First, as a trigger, I added a WooCommerce. Trigger event is new order created. If I want to trigger this workflow only if a selected product is in order, then I can select the products here, but I'm not going to do that. I fetched orders from the database. Next, I added the action, which is a PHP function by Flowmattic. Function name is this one here. So if you need to use it, then pay attention. This is the function name you will add. Function parameters type is individual variable. Parameters is length. And 10 you can add whatever number you would like to add here. But what will it do? It will create me a coupon with a random 10 letters. When this is done, I added a action, WooCommerce as application, action event create coupon. Let's do that together. PHP function response, this one here. Yeah. Now I added a conditions. It will be a 10% discount. I can add expiry date, all sorts of restrictions here if needed. But I added a usage limits, 1 per coupon. When this is done, I added the next action. This is email as an application, action event send email, email provider WordPress default, but I can also set it to be Flowmattic default or custom SMTP. I added a from name and from email, reply to email. In order to get the email, I grabbed a WooCommerce and billing email. Now I add a email subject and email body. Let's do that together. We need a first name, so let's search for first name here. Let's add also hi. Here's your 10% discount coupon. And we need a coupon code here. It's gonna be this one here. And paste it here. So you can add whatever you would like to add here. You can also add a attachment. And when everything is done, I'm gonna set it live, save workflow. So what will it do? If the order is created, this one here, then it will create a new coupon, which is 10 letters long. The coupon gives 10% discount, and it can be used only one time. If the coupon has been created, it will be sent to the customer. Save and test works like a charm, and the email that user gets is this one here. You can customize it as you like. You can add HTML if needed. I will set it to live, say workflow, and boom. And it took only 2 minutes to set it up. Now, how about creating another one with a Fluent Forms? So, new workflow. Trigger is Fluent Forms. Choose event, new form submission. Choose form. I'm gonna choose this contact form. Capture form submission means that I'm gonna go to my site, to contact page. Fill the fields here. Submit it. Go back to the workflows. As you see, it has been captured. Now I'm gonna add a application that is Google Spreadsheets. I'm gonna sign in with Google. Choose my account. Give the permissions. Authentication successful. And next I'm gonna create a new Google spreadsheet, for example, test form. I'm gonna name the cells, name, email, phone, other information, and message. If this is done, I'm gonna go back to the workflows. As an action, I'm gonna choose add new row. Next one, I'm gonna refresh all the spreadsheets here. And now I can choose a spreadsheet, this one here, test form. Sheet is gonna be sheet 1. And next I'm gonna map the fields. Name is gonna be this one, email. That one, phone. I'm gonna choose this field. Other information. This goes here. And last one on the message, this one. I'm gonna save and test action. It says success. And as you see, after pressing save and test, all the information has already been transferred here. So nothing else to do but set it to live, save workflow. And let's test it by filling the contact form. I'm just gonna add some random info here. Send message, it's done, back to the form, and what do you know, everything is here. And basically, once again, it took us only 2 minutes to set it up. Really easy. As I said in the beginning of this video, you can get really creative with this tool because it's really powerful. And I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I did here. For example, apply 20% discount coupon for specific product in a cart. How does it work? I'm gonna show you the task. So what's happening here? Application is WooCommerce. If the product is added to the cart, then once again, as before, PHP action here, Flowmattic random string with length of 7 letters will create us a coupon. This one here. I added a condition here, product ID. I chose it here. Product ID matches 400. Where did I get the product ID? I got it from the product itself. So this one here, product ID. If the golden lamp is added to the cart, then it will create a coupon, 20% discount, and you can use it only one time per coupon. And if you go to the cart, then the coupon will be auto applied. Wanna see how it works? Well, let's test it out. Golden lamp, I'm gonna delete this one here. And let's add this one to the cart. View cart. And you'll see random coupon is created and auto applied. Let's remove it, go to the shop, and let's add some other product and see whether it's applied. Nope, not working. It's working only for this specific product. Back to the coupons. Let's see what else did I do here. Add tutor LMS user to newsletter list. What happens here? If WooCommerce new order has been created and the product has been purchased, then, and now I added a router here. Router works basically if this, then do this, if that, then do that. So, if user creates a order and if product title contains text user experience, that is a course name, then add it to the Fluent CRM list, and list ID is this one here. If, and now there is another rule, if the order does not contain this course, then add it to another list, this one here. This way you can separate your users based on their behavior. Next one, create order with Fluent Forms. Take a look. This one here. I created a page. It's a regular WordPress page. I created it with Gutenberg, added a product order form here. Product order form itself is here. You'll see. First name, shipping information, product payment, and it looks like this one here. And workflow works in a way that if user submits product order form, then create new order. I'm going to open it up. You'll see what is happening here. I mapped the details, first name, last name, customer email, and all the stuff from this form here. Let's test it out. Those are the billing details. Let's go to the shipping details. Select country, purchase. It says thank you for your order. Information has been sent to my email. And if I go to the WooCommerce orders, then you'll see that this order is here. If I open it up, all the information has been added. Billing information, shipping information, everything is here. So yeah, basically you can create whatever automation you would like here. You can schedule those. You can use hooks from other plugins. If you would like to get some cool ideas what to do with the Flowmattic, then once again go to the Flowmattic workflows page and see what's happening here. They will add some more in the future. And if you find something that suits you, then just download it and import it. For example, send WooCommerce orders to Google Sheet and notify customer using WhatsApp. Or create dynamic coupon in WooCommerce based on order total amount and send to user. Once again, your own imagination is the limit here. There is a knowledge base, bunch of cool stuff here. If you need a support, then just go and open up the support ticket. They are really responsive. I've been receiving answers within a couple of hours. When I was familiarizing myself with a plugin, I had a bunch of questions. I sent them to the plugin authors and I got answers that were to the point. So yeah, this is Flowmattic, awesome plugin. If you're looking for a good workflows automation plugin for WordPress, then this is a way to go. Now, before you go, wait. If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here. And take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.